Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we're continuing to build on our 2017 Mustang GT. This thing is definitely a beauty. So last time we were able to work on the inside, make sure there's no water damage, nothing like that. It's looking good. Game plan for today is we're gonna take off the front bumper, work on that, get that fixed. Also, I heard a little noise when I was driving in the front passenger wheel, so I think it's a wheel bearing. I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheel off, lift it up, check underneath, check all my fluids, make sure there's nothing that's not supposed to be there, make sure everything else looks good, cleaned up properly. So we're just gonna go the next step further into this build, and hopefully this will be it. Hopefully once we get that front bumper done, all the little things underneath, be ready to go. And that way, you know, it'll be a nice solid Mustang. So let's not waste any time, get that bumper off, get that wheel off, and see what's behind door number 3.
All right, so there we have it. We got the bumper painted. It's looking really good. It was cold that night, so we let it sit over the weekend. It's definitely cured, and let's pretty much assemble the bumper with all the plastics, and then we're gonna put it back on the Mustang. So let's get straight to work.
All right, and just like that, bumper is on, looking beautiful. Ivan did a great job. He is like an artist when it comes to Bondo paint work. Nice. Really happy with the results on that. Got the wheel bearing on there too, so hopefully the little noise that I heard goes away as well. I mean, the other one felt okay, but just wanted to be safe. So let's go ahead and drop this thing down, give it a quick wash, and take it out and see what that 5.0 power can do. Maybe have some fun with it or something, but overall, it's looking great. Let's get it out there, test everything, make sure it's all dandy, and see what it does. Wow, check out that wheel gap, guys. Nothing but, hey, it's not rubbing, looking good. Let's go ahead and get a little cold start for you guys, because this thing sounds awesome. Nice and beautiful in here. Oh yeah. Man, she's looking good. But before I go and have some fun, do some burnouts with it, whatever, let's go ahead and put it back on the alignment rack, check the alignment on it, even though it wasn't pulling, but we'll see what's going on there. Probably do an oil change on it real quick. Might as well. Check the rear depth, transmission fluid, triple check everything, and prepare it for sale. Why not, guys? Get them, have fun with them, and keep going. Pick something else up. Definitely a nice one. And just like that, our beautiful Ford Mustang is complete. Looks awesome. Honestly, yeah, guys. So we're just showing you that even if it's a salvage title, even though it's a flooded title, there's still good potential for vehicles out there. It is a small margin of which ones are good, which ones are bad, but hey, you know, that's part of the game. You got to go out there, you got to find a good one. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for joining me in this experience of getting this Ford, getting it back together, and getting it back on the road. Looking good, play with it, and I'm probably going to post it for sale. I'll try to get up there a little higher this time, you know. If I don't sell it right away, that's fine, you know. Enjoy driving it, no big deal. Already put the miles on it, I know it's all good to go. But yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We do want to get some more builds, some more projects. Leave some comments below. What do you want to see next?